I started the week looking out at this beautiful view. I come out here almost every day in good weather because it's just such a pleasant view all around. So it's food for my soul. What do we have here? Why, it's the kittens. They're enjoying their time outside now that the rain has stopped. And they're sitting on Mama's chair. Here's one culprit. This is Miss Scarlet. And here's the other one. This is Ghosty. There he is. Well, I'm glad you guys are comfortable. This is Ghosty at his most relaxed. This is how he sits when he is super comfortable. Hi, Ghosty. After spending some time with the kitties, I came out here to the Fainting Goat coffee shop in Spring Hill to work, and I noticed a Spring Hill PD car. They're basically all over the city all the time, so if you're in Spring Hill, don't mess around. And just as I like to start my day here, I also like to end my day here if I can help it. Can you tell why? Just in case it's not immediately obvious, let me point out how beautiful the sunset is from here. Minus the flies though. And now it's time to say goodnight with Miss Scarlet watching from the window. Another day of work at one of my favorite coffee shops. This place is really cozy. It looks like you're in your home, in your library. It's great decor. So I like to come here, sit with a coffee and do my work, and then I have to rush home to feed the kitties. The kitties' first time eating outside. They are ravenous. Look at her. She's on top of the counter. She's on top of the counter eating this little one. Totally unrelated, but here's a swamp lake I found right next to a shopping center parking lot. Yup, that's the South for ya. Today I went to Nashville for a meeting. That is Vanderbilt University right there. And then the next day I was back in my usual haunt, 1819 Coffee, to do some more work. I'm so predictable, I swear to God. Thank you. I mean, come on, what's better than sipping a latte and doing your work in a room like this? You get me? Ice. And now it's Saturday and it's time to go out on the town. I mean, all work and no play? No, ma'am. Driving on the 65 North going up to Nashville. Oh, by the way, this is how locals can tell that you're from Southern California. It's when you put the in front of the freeway. Apparently we all do that. And it's basically what sounds best to us. Driving on 65 does not sound as good to me as saying driving on the 65. I don't know. I just can't get used to it. So, sorry, not sorry.
In half a mile, keep left.
Now we are in downtown Nashville and I'm driving over to my secret parking spot. I'm not gonna tell you where it is because I don't want to give away the secret. It's that good, so don't even ask, okay? Check out all the birds, like they're flying erratically right above the street here. That is so odd. They're like totally erratic too, which is really weird, isn't it? Alright, we should move before we get shat on.
a live action version of Alfred Hitchcock's movie.
I know. I hope they stay up there and they don't swoop down on us.
Neural project, government, using the same thing on human beings, turning them into bird brain.
Wow. This is insane. What is going on with these birds? These people don't care. So this is where we're gonna have dinner. It's like multi-level restaurant. I think we're gonna go up there somewhere. Oh, and here's the party bus. The famous Nashville party bus. Oh, this is like a military vehicle. This is Nashville. Here we are walking over to our table, and we're just so psyched because our view is just amazing tonight. Thank you. Thank you. So these guys totally paid for our meals. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was really, really sweet of you. Chandeliers are so awesome. Oh, a dessert case right here. Yummy, yummy. Look at all this goodness. Oh, here we go. There's another bus. Look at that. And these things are always full. Here we go. One after the other. 1, 2, 3. Nashville PD on the scene, making sure all these people stay on a straight and narrow. Okay, it's a video. It's a video. Thank you. Check out these cookies. They're like the size of your head. Here I am eating ice cream again. I think I'm gonna be eating ice cream in every vlog from now on. Any objections to that? I'm not hearing any. Alrighty then, it's settled. Yay! That is liquid chocolate. Work those outfits, girls. This right here is 2nd Street, and I am looking towards Broadway in the distance. These people here are waiting for a burlesque drag show. Perfect location for that. Oh my god. I could not stop laughing at this guy's moves. I mean, he's having fun. Good for him. Good for him. Some more scenes from the street. The police is always out in force, making sure there's some kind of order, law and order. I mean, Broadway can get pretty crazy. She just took that flower without even saying thanks. Well, she's going back, but still. Gotta love Broadway. I know I do. As crazy as it is, I love coming out here and people watching. There's so much stuff going on every time.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Hey, buddy.
Good luck! Come on, girls. It's not even midnight yet. Get up. This guy, he's being honest. All he wants is weed, Pepsi, and cigarettes. Whew. After last night, it's time for Sunday coffee. Favorite places. Catching up on my gossip mags for some mindless entertainment. Do y'all do that?
Lucas back here.
Turn right onto Moore's Lane.
There's a doggy. Aw, he's so cute.
Oh my god, Costco already has Halloween stuff out. Where did the year go? Hi, kitties. So we're finally closing off the week. Sunday night. Here's my favorite sunset view back here. I don't know if you guys can see the fireflies, but there's a bunch of fireflies. If you can see like flashes of light, that's the fireflies that come out at this hour. So it's really cool. Anyway, hope you guys have an amazing week ahead, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.